meal prep day, so today I'm going to be doing 7 days worth of meals. I have 5 pounds of chicken. I have one of each color of bell peppers, 1 onion, and an entire bowl of garlic. 1.5 cups of rice. Just over 2 coconut oil. Give this just a little bit of stir. Go ahead and pre-rinse all my vegetables. My onion as well. An onion in here. Crush all my garlic. Peels. Go ahead and crush my garlic. So everything here is prepped and ready to cook. I heat down the bowl. More minutes in there. Okay, so at this point, everything is cooked. I'm gonna take my Tupperwares, rice, .86 grams of rice in each Tupperware.